You hear people say all the time the number one ingredient to success on YouTube is to be yourself. But this is a lot easier said than done. It can be really hard. So here are some tips and advice that can help you be yourself on YouTube. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. I'm YouTube Grow Certified. This channel is dedicated to helping you grow on YouTube. So elevate your strategy, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell so you know when I have new content coming out. I would personally argue that passion is the key to success on YouTube, but a very close second is authenticity and being yourself on camera. People can smell a phony from a mile away, and if you try to fake it till you make it on YouTube, it's a recipe for disaster. People are eventually going to figure it out, and it's going to be bad for you. But the big reason why it's so hard to be ourselves on camera is because at heart, we all want everyone to like us. The truth is, no matter how generic you try to be and no matter what niche you're in, you are not going to be everyone's cup of tea. Some people are just not going to like you. There are going to be people that absolutely love you and others, not so much. Everyone has an opinion and you just can't please them all. And to be perfectly honest with you, if you're doing content that's trying to please everyone, it's probably going to be boring and not that interesting. You really don't want to try. The most unique thing that you have going on your channel is you. So let yourself be fun and free on camera. Believe me, your audience will notice. The sooner you stop worrying about the haters, they're everywhere, and start focusing on having fun and showing passion behind the camera, the faster you're going to find success. Confidence in who you are as a person and training yourself to not even care about what other people think is really the key. You can't control what other people think, so don't waste a moment of your day even trying. Let the haters hate, be you, and make content for the folks that really love what you do. If you want to learn more about how to be natural on camera, check this video out right here. Or if you just want to see a video YouTube recommends, try this one right here. This channel's all about helping people grow on YouTube, and if that's something you're interested in, elevate your strategy and subscribe to the channel. Click that bell so you know when my new content comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Go out there, film something awesome, make it count, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.